Weekend storms brought to light multiple areas of concern when it comes to flash flooding in Laverne. Welcome back to News 2 at 4. I'm Tori Gessner.
And I'm Kendall Ashman. News 2's Nikki McGee has more from the Laverne mayor, now hoping to prevent future flooding in the area.
It was shocking. It was wet, and I was about ankle deep in it.
Laverne Mayor Jason Cole remembers the moment Saturday when inches of water quickly overwhelmed roads and yards.
Well, this is people's homes. This is where they live, and they don't want to be flooded out. We all remember 2010, and no one wants to go through that again.
Well, neighbors tell me one of the areas impacted this weekend was right behind me here at Greenwood and Lookout Drive. They recall water quickly filling the roadway, even some gravel getting carried from driveways as cars struggled to get across.
So we had high water on Bill Stewart and parts of Stones River, and that caused some detouring. We had backyards flooded out, front yards flooded out, and general inconvenience to our residents.
But it's something Mayor Cole is now trying to prevent.
Our stormwater department is out, and they are looking at various areas, evaluating them, determining whether brush or debris clogged up inlets or not, or whether large-scale work will need to be done to improve.
Cole says this week the city's stormwater department will look for any debris blocking water from easily flowing into creeks and then into the lake. He says the city made several improvements to its stormwater infrastructure back in 2019 and will reevaluate those efforts following this storm.
Overall, our big goal is to make sure that what happened Saturday doesn't occur again to our residents.
Now, emergency officials do remind you if you ever do come across standing water, it only takes a couple inches to sweep away your car. And remember to turn around, not drown. In Laverne, Nikki McGee, News 2.
If you have an area experiencing flash flooding and would like to report it, you can do so by calling the Laverne Storm Water Department or by emailing their department at lavernetn.gov.